Kei tangata noa a Ruby Solly.
Common misconceptions about whai arorua and bipolar. Definitely that people have like a split personality is kind of idea, like there's one you that when you're manic and one you when you're depressed.
Heoi, ko tōna whiako me te whai arorua e noho tīrara mai te katoa.
I'm definitely the same person all the time.
Nō te wā e rua te kaumatahi ana pakeke, I tau mai tēnei ma te whai arorua ki runga I aia. E hara tēnei I te karere ohorere, nā runga I te take, ko noho pūmau tēnei mate ki tōna whānau mō ēnei tau kua hori.
I'm more likely to have mixed episodes, which are when you have kind of all of the despair side of depression, but you might have the kind of speed of mania or hypermania.
E ai kia Solly, ko te taonga puoro te arunga matua o tōna wā tuatahi ia ia e rua te kaumatahi ana. Ina nei, he kai tuku puoro ia, ka whakamahi ngā taonga puoro ki te hāpai te marea.
Taonga puoro often are a way for people to have a reo Māori during times of being unwell when they may not have ability to speak. I think when we're in that space, it's very easy to say things you don't mean, but if you can put that out in a pure feeling through taonga puoro, that can be a really powerful way to communicate that lets you keep hold of your mana and your rangatiratanga as well.
When I look back, maybe the depression had always been bipolar wearing a different cloak.
I te rā marama, I roto a Solly I a Taurewarewa. He paki pūmeka e pāna ki te whai arorua. Ko Libby Whiteford-Smith, he uri no Ngāi Tahu te kaitohu.
This project, Taurewarewa, is a short documentary about bipolar disorder, like following recounted stories and experiences of 3 young wahines. I'm one of those.
Psychosis was an unexpected symptom of bipolar, for sure.
This was a really powerful experience to be the ever so slightly older kind of swakana that I definitely needed when I was first diagnosed.
I have some community now because of this that like I can talk to and that get me. It's like, oh, your brain's the same as mine. That little like solidarity moment.
Not every day is great, but I think it's really cool to be able to look back and be like, yeah, actually your quality of life has improved massively.
It was really powerful to me to be with them and to hear how different their experiences were of diagnosis and being in the world this way.
E ki ana ngā kōrero, he nui ngā akoranga mai tēnei paki pūmeka.
For me, having medication means that I can learn te reo Māori. Without it, I'm not capable of doing that. It means I can produce work and produce art and music and these other really important things. Increasing people's knowledge of what those medications can do and decreasing stigma around that is a really powerful thing.
Kua puta a Taurewarewa I runga I te whārangi ipurangi mō te katoa te take. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo